So Gate.io exchange just launched the pre-market trading for Layer3 with a ticker symbol of LAYER3 on July 17, 2024. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to participate in the pre-market trading, how to get a better entry and make good profit from your investment. By the way, in case you're new to my channel, my name is Isaac. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel before leaving. Turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video. Don't forget to like this video if you haven't already. So let's proceed. Layer3 is a decentralized distribution network that revolutionizes users acquisition, retention, and growth for crypto projects by combining gamified quests, dynamic token distribution, and an open credential system. They have just a maximum supply of slightly over 3 billion tokens, which is 3 billion Layer3 tokens. If you ask me, that is very bullish because the maximum supply is not in trillions or quadrillions. So by the time this project gets to $1, you should be expecting a juicy profit for yourself. Let's assume you get into this project now when it's still very cheap. By the time it gets to $1, we should be expecting a market cap of around $3.3 billion market cap, which in a full-blown alt season it can easily even go beyond that market cap. So for those that don't have much knowledge about what a pre-market trading is, a pre-market trading is more like an over-the-counter trading service that allows investors to buy and sell new tokens before their official listing, and it enables users to set a price and trade token at an anticipated rate before the public trading goes live. To participate in the pre-market trading for Layer3 with a ticker symbol of LAYER3, you can just click on this join right here. By the way, the link will be in the description of this video and also in the comment section of this video. Feel free to use the link. If you haven't signed up on Gate.io as well, the link to sign up on Gate.io will be in the description of this video, also in the comment section of this video. So to begin, you just have to click on this join right here, this join button. Click on the join button. You'll be taken to this page, and the next thing, to make sure you're signed into your Gate.io account on this platform. If you haven't signed up on Gate.io, feel free to use my link in the description of this video. So this is Layer3, and the highest bid so far Layer3 project has gotten is 40 cents, which is 0.4, while the last price was 29 cents, which is 0.29, while the lowest ask bid so far is 0.0001 USDT. You can see over here the trading time is still pending, the delivery time is still pending. LTV is currently at 100%, and this is the chart of the pre-market trading. So to begin your trading, you just have to click on this create order right here. After you are taken to this page, make sure you're signed into your Gate.io account on the browser you're currently using. You just have to input the price you wish to buy at. You understand, your own buy bid price. So you can begin with let's say 0.10 cent. Remember, the highest was 0.40 cent. So you can basically just type 0.10 cent and then type the amount you wish to buy at that rate. You understand? So if you're typing 10,000 tokens, which is 10,000 LAYER3 tokens, you are expected to pay $1,000 and a fee of $20. That is the total payment that is expected of you to be paid to the seller would be $1,020 for this over-the-counter trade. And if you want to sell, you can just basically click on sell, follow the same procedures, and then input the desired price you wish to sell your LAYER3 token. Let's assume you wish to sell at $1 per token, and then type in the amount. Let's assume you want to sell 10,000 tokens. So this is the order amount, which is 10,000 USDT. This is the collateral amount, which is 10,000 USDT. The fee is going to be 200 USDT. While the total payment amount is going to be $10,200. You understand? So after that, you can just accept, you can just click on the I have read and agreed to the Gate.io pre-market trading agreement, and then click on sell to place your order here. Let's just talk about this, how to trade in pre-market. Now, the step is easy. The initial step I showed you, which is click on the create order, enter the amount and price in buy, and then submit the order and complete the payment. Now the step 2 is to wait for the seller. Once the seller accepts your order, you just have to wait for the delivery time. The step 3 is you will receive tokens if the seller completes the delivery on time. Otherwise, you will receive an indemnity, and also the total amount you paid will be refunded. So you have to take note of the delivery schedule and complete the delivery on time. Failure to comply with the delivery schedule may result in the loss of collateral. So what are the key benefits of pre-market trading? It offers investors the chance to potentially acquire trending tokens at lower cost compared to the market listing price, providing a competitive edge in pricing. So how to conduct the pre-market trading? For buyers, when you submit a buy order, you need to pay a transaction fee along with the payment amount based on your order value. Once matched with a seller, you only need to wait for the seller to complete the token delivery within the agreed delivery time. If the seller fails to deliver, you will receive both your payment back and also the portion of the seller's collateral as compensation. And for the seller, you have to pay attention. When you publish a sell order, in addition to paying the trading fee, you must also deposit a collateral according to the specific proportion. When your order is matched with a buyer, you need to prepare to settle the token at the delivery time and deposit the token into the designated trading account in advance. Upon successful delivery, you will receive the funds paid by the buyer. Failure to deliver on the time will result in losses of all the collateral for the respective pre-market order. So you have to take note of these instructions and cautions very, very well. Note, only unfilled order can be cancelled. Order cannot be cancelled once matched with a counterparty. Number 2, unfilled order will be automatically cancelled after the pre-market trading ends. So you have to pay attention to that as well. The terms and conditions. These are the explanation of the terms and conditions. You can just read it out for yourself. I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video. Also in the link to sign up on Gate.io in the description of this video. So you can follow the first link to participate in this pre-market trading and start making good profit for yourself. Changes in token listing on Gate.io. If there is a listing delay, executed pre-market trading order stays valid. New delivery time will be notified through Gate.io announcement and emails. Number 2, if the listing is cancelled or pre-market trading orders are voided, users receive refunds for frozen collateral within a working day with no trading fee charged. And what is the trading fee structure? The transaction fee rate applies to the total order value of matched order. You can check the latest rate on the trading page. Order fees. If the seller misses the delivery time, a 10% collateral will be retained as a fee by the platform, with the remaining 90% compensated to the buyer. And as always, my name is Isaac. Please invest the amount you can afford to lose. Nothing is guaranteed in the crypto space. Peace out.